What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how you can remove a connector between two nodes inside of OpenAI's new Agent Builder. When I first started playing around with this, I didn't know how to insert another node in between two other nodes without having to delete one or the other. And what I was doing, I was bringing over other agents, copy and pasting information in, and then deleting a node in order to break apart the connection. But that is not the solution. The solution is to actually come over here and click on the line. So when you're grazing by it doesn't look like it's even selectable, but you can select it, and once you do, the connector's settings pop up on the right, and you can just go ahead and delete the connector. That will allow you to then go over and bring another agent and connect it in without having to delete the actual nodes. So I hope this was helpful. If you want to learn more about automation and the new Agent Builder, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.